Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve profiles not showing on Roblox. To know how to fix or how to solve profiles not showing on Roblox app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you'll enter to the window or to the app of Roblox, and you can click here. After that, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app, and or you can delete your account if you click on clear cache. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.